Well, tropical update as of July 20th, 6 a.m. in the morning, PST. And our tropical disturbance and the MDR looks pretty good. I mean, but it has lost all its most support. Literally none. I mean, complete washout. The NAC has dropped the chances of development to 10% at 2 to 7 days, 1,000 miles east southeast of the Lesser Antilles. Um, it's only marginal conducive for development the next day. As it moves west northwestward around 10 miles per hour. But conditions are expected to become very unfavorable as it runs into the tut. I mean, which you can expect. And the models have pretty much dropped uh, development. There's a GFS at 48 hours. 72. Really, no development at all, almost. Um, CMC, about the same. A little bit of a wave off Africa. We're starting to see these waves, which is typical. ECMWF has the same velocity. I'll say about 10% too. Definitely doesn't have the support to be encouraging. Uh, let's take a look at 96. And really nothing really interesting. Kind of a golf system right there. We've been watching, but I don't think there's much of it. I don't think there's a huge chance of development. But you do have multiple models looking at it, so it is something to take a look at. And you also have the second wave that follows the MDR system, which is probably out in here. So that's what we have for the Atlantic. Now we're going to look at the Eastern Pacific. I mean, which development chances have went down since yesterday, only 20%. 1,500 miles west southwest of the Baja California Peninsula. I've already hit distance. Also compare module the next day. It moves westward at 10 to 50 miles per hour. But it's going to become unfavorable. And let's be honest. I mean, the system does have some broad spin, some convection. But look at that shear to the west. And let's look at, really, models don't want to develop it anymore. Here's the GFS, CMC, 120. There's 96. They have completely dropped the idea of development. But the system we're going to be watching long term is going to form south of Mexico at 120 on the GFS. And here's the ECMWF for that same time. 144. ECMWF isn't on board yet. But you start getting a system south of Mexico at 5, 6, 7 days trying to form. And the GFS takes it to 997 at 168. CMC doesn't really have it. Icon at a low pressure at the end of its forecast period. Let's see. This is the easiest thing I've ever developed, but no. So really, it's just a GFS. Let's say in this one, 186, you have 984 millibars on the GFS, which, I mean, 7, 8, 9 days, I'll leave with this 20%. I mean, it doesn't exactly have huge model support, but it's looking possible. Our typhoon has made landfall into China, but it's clearly weakening, and it will be history pretty soon. Had 65 knot winds, but it was scraped the coast. I mean, probably moving to Vietnam. Well, that is your tropical update.